Welcome to the House Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how I installed this fold down laundry drying rack. This rack is really convenient and it's simple to use. There's a release catch on the brackets and it just drops down out of the way. When you need it, pull it right back up. This would be great for shelving or anything else. These brackets are really sturdy. You can use them in the garage, in your workshop. Maybe you need an outfeed table for your table saw. There's lots of uses for these brackets. Stay tuned, I'll show you how easy it is to build this. We're only going to need a few things to complete this project. First is the folding bracket. They lift up, lock into place. Click the button, they drop back down. They're incredibly strong, they're really well made. The only thing they may have gone a little overboard on is the drywall anchors they sent with it. Not exactly sure what you would use these for, but we'll figure something out. We're going to need a rod to put our clothes hangers on, a single hole conduit clamp. This is a 3/4 EMT clamp. These come with 1 hole or 2 holes. Get the single hole, it's all you're going to need if you're going to use this for a clothes rod. And some small bolts and washers. These are number 8s that I'm using. I'll put a link in the description below where you can pick up these brackets. I'll put some different sizes and different finishes. I'm sure you can find whatever you're looking for in there. So now we have a shelf up high with a rod for hanging your bigger things. This laundry room is kind of cramped, but if you have a lot of laundry and we have another rod down low, you need to hang something else. Just pull it up, it locks into place, and you can hang your little things. I hope you found this video helpful. Please take a moment to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications when I have future videos. Thanks for watching.